the Polley Smash Cut. How to use it: simply put in the settings you would like for minimum silence and silence before and after each cut. The minimum threshold here, this is the amount of volume that it is seeking in order to determine whether or not it is silence. There's some presets here that I suggest using, and once you have everything selected, you can also export audio, video, or just one of each. You can simply select MP3, WAV, or M4A depending on your needs. You can select file or folders. If you want to, you can just drag and drop the video or MP3, whatever you need. Once it's in place, select a folder that you want to output it to and hit that generate smash cut. You'll see that it's generating your video by the progress bar going up, and you'll have your elapsed time going right here. And after a small wait, you will see the completed, meaning your file is done. And if you check your output folder, you will see a completed file. It's all smash cutted, ready to upload. Thanks for watching, and check out the smash cut on ericpolley.com, as well as some other tools that are currently available. I'll see you there.